everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about AI, ML and DL. Nowadays these words are very common to listen, but what do they actually mean and what is their difference? Let's deep dive into and find out. Alright, picture this. AI is like a big umbrella. Under that you got machine learning and inside that deep learning. Think of it like layers, kind of like Russian dolls, each one nested inside the other. So deep learning is a subset of ML and AI. ML is a subset of AI. So that's it. So, what's AI? The full form of AI is artificial intelligence. AI is all about creating machines or artificial systems that can mimic human behavior or human intelligence, like thinking, learning, problem solving, or functioning in a typical way like a human too. So, you have seen the applications of AI as in education, construction, gaming, retail, banking, agriculture, and military. Some of the common places you have seen AI in the action is self-driving cars, chatbots, or even Google finishes your sentence. It's a time for a real-world example, right? So, have you ever talked to Siri or Alexa and asked what weather is like? It gives you the answer, right? So it is AI. They recognize your voice and understand what you mean. So what's helping to do it? Machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning helps to understand your question and DL to catch your pattern. Pretty cool, right? Let's quickly recap. AI is a big picture. Machine learning is how it learns from data. Deep learning is how it handles really complex data using brain-inspired models, or we can say neural networks. So that's it for this video. If this helps clearing things up, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Got questions about AI or want more explanation? Drop comments. See you in the next one.